This is the best chili sauce. It's a kiosk secret. In a blend, add 1 chopped onion, 5 cloves of garlic, 1 cup of vinegar, remembering that my cup has 240 ml, 2 cups of oil, 3 teaspoons of oregano, 2 teaspoons of powdered by laurel, 2 teaspoons of salt, 1 teaspoon of Ajinomoto, 340 grams of tomato paste, 2 tablespoons of mustard, 2 tablespoons of ketchup, now just cover and let it beat for about 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, just add our special touch, a pepper. Let's leave it beating for a while and now you can turn it off. Our pepper sauce is ready. This sauce is super tasty, delicious, super fast, easy to do, and you can follow up with whatever you want. You can choose to use less pepper, not to use or use more. It is also super good. Do it at your home. I'm sure that everyone will love it. I hope you enjoyed. This was another little recipe here from the pool in the kitchen. That's strong hug. Until the next time, and thanks for watching.